Hey guys, Terry from Smooth's Workshop here with a tool review. Something that I do on occasion rather than a kit review. Today we're going to talk about micro twist drill bits or pin vices. Most of you guys will have a pin vise, maybe something similar to this where you have a little pin vise with a, let's see if I can get this to work. Okay, a body, a sleeve, a chuck that will take a certain size of drill bit depending on what you put in. You screw the end on, you put your drill in the end and screw it up. These ones are the cheap ones. You can get them on eBay easily enough. And that's kind of what most of us work with. I kindly got gifted this one from Mike Mountain. Some of you might know him as Dad or whatever, but yeah, Mike Mountain got me this one. This is a better one. Nice aluminium body with a chuck on the end, but can you hear that? There's no bearing in the end. It really does my tits in. So this is a step up from your standard pin vise, but the squeaking really does, as I say, it does my tits in. So what am I going to be talking about? Right, this is from Trumpeter. They call it their MasterTools. There's a part number 09961 micro hand drill. Okay, and it's beautiful. Look at blue anodized, all the rest of it. Tells you on the back about, you know, how to work it, blah, blah, blah. So let's have a look at Trumpeter's pin vise or micro drill, as they call it. Okay, so the standard part of it is pretty much like the black one that Mike sent me. Yeah? There is actually a bearing race in here. There is no noise off of this whatsoever. And it's got the standard drill chuck on the end. It's beautiful. But I've got quite big hands. So it's actually quite small. So they give you an extension piece. So you pull that bit out the end. Now, there's no room in here for putting drill bits in. You might get one down it. So don't expect it to store your drill bits. Put the extension piece in, then put the bit on the end, and because there's a bearing in it, there's no squeaking. Okay, and you can put your drill bits in. Now, I myself personally, you can get standard sort of HSS drill bits. Now, any of you guys that have, I'm just figuring out which way to open this up. You might use standard HSS drill bits. This is something to consider. These are drill bits, but they're what they use in the circuit board CNC machines. This particular set goes from 0.3 millimeters up to 1.3 millimeters. So you take them out and you undo your drill bit. Stick it in, screw it up, and you're ready to drill. Absolutely excellent. The only thing these drill bits is are very, very brittle, so you've got to make sure that you're drilling straight. If you try what you would normally do with an HSS bit and do a wee bit of off angle, you will snap them. But it's got a lovely bearing in the end, which is what I like. Now, UK price. These go for around about £14 to £15 UK. I got this particular one. Now, it is beautiful. I love the bearing and everything. So it's MasterTools. It is Trumpeter. I got it from Mike Jolly at MGR Models, Hobbies and Accessories. He does have a Facebook page where you can get these things discounted. So there you go, Mike. This is what I would call a top tool. One for your toolbox. Forget the standard pin drills that you get for £1. And forget the other cheaper ones that basically can you hear that squeaking? Gets on your tits. Get yourself one of these wee trumpeter ones from MasterTools. As I say, £14 to £15 UK. A lot of money, but when you're drilling the little holes, especially when you're doing LEDs and things like that, I would say out of all the products that I've looked at, this is a 9 out of 10. A beautiful little piece of kit. So, hope you've enjoyed this. As I say, you've probably already got a micro drill or whatever. This is seriously one worth considering from Trumpeter. So it's Terry from Smooth's Workshop. As always, enjoy your hobby and see you later.